Banshee Boat for everything boating.
These maneuvers could be dangerous if not operating the boat properly. Do so at your own risk. Make sure to always have boating safety equipment, pleasure craft license on board, and always wear your PFD. Be conscious of those around you. Respect the shared waterway. Remember, never drink alcohol on boat. Always play safe on the water.
I'm going to start up the engine, and we're just going to take a look and see how it sounds with the cover off. We're going to take a look at it. So you can also close up on the engine. We're just going to start it up for a minute, see how it goes. Missing out great water there. It's obviously running perfect, right? So, why replace that impeller if it's swimming properly? That's one thing that's a lot of people do. They don't even need to replace it sometimes because they know. That looks good. How's it sound? What do you guys think? Can you hear it? I got decent speakers, decent mic. Is it running good? It sounds good to me. What do you guys think? Let me know down there. We got the hydrofoil on, 90 Johnson. Just so you know, the boat handles great. If you're thinking about a hydrofoil, I definitely recommend one. At least try one out. $50. For $50, a hydrofoil is going to be an awesome, cool upgrade to try. Bolt it on, see what you think. Because with this boat, it makes a huge difference. And I will be doing, potentially next week, another hydrofoil video we take the hydrofoil off, we do a speed GPS test, all that stuff, and we're gonna do performance tests and everything. Check out the link right down there. Right down there. Check out the Amazon link. Sorry, I don't have the States one. Doesn't work, but the Canadian one's down there. Check on that Amazon link, click on it, browse, buy something, anything. And it's going to help out our channel so that we can keep making awesome boating videos. And I promise they're only going to get better and better every time.
Daddy.
About buying a boat, it'll be the single most important decision in your life. And if you let that slip away, you'll be feeling the repercussions for many years. So if you want to know what it's like to be awesome, make sure you subscribe right down there and you'll find out. And make sure to hit your notifications also. How's that mountain look in the back? I'll do one more. That's it.
We're gonna do some great stuff. We're gonna do some drone shots, new lakes. We are only striving to get 4K shots. I'm gonna try and get the best sound and the best video in every single video to come and make it better and better every single video that I make. So hopefully you subscribe right down there, because every video that comes out, you are gonna be happy with.
Woo! Banshee boating, baby!
Check out one of these other fantastic videos. You won't be disappointed.